Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, my fellow crafters. I have some exciting things to show you today. Some very, very magic-y crafts that we are going to be doing. In your hands, you should have an envelope that says potions and party favors. So this is what you are going to have in your envelope for the crafts that you're going to make. So let's start off with our magic wand. Isn't it beautiful? Miss Mary made this one, and I made this one. And I just wanted to show you both because you can really make it however you like. What you will get in your envelope, you're going to get, of course, your dowel. You will get this beautiful shiny gold star, and you will get some ribbon and a few chenille stems or pipe cleaners, whatever. I've heard it both ways. So what you're going to do, of course, is cut out that gold star, and then you will tape it to the stick, and then you can use your chenille stems to wrap around, or not. And you will also get some little rhinestone stickers in your package, so that's how I decorated mine. So that is your magic wand. But be careful, with great power comes great responsibility. So be careful with that wand and the spells that you cast. Next, of course, we are going to need our familiar. And what we are going to have, we're going to make an owl. Mine is a very colorful owl. Of course, you can color yours however you want. What you'll get in your envelope there, you'll have, of course, a brown paper bag. And you'll get these 2 sheets of paper that are the template, the wings and the face and the little claws, everything you need to put your owl together. And like I said, you just need your crayons, scissors to cut everything out, and your glue stick to put it all together. And there is a cute little picture of what the owl will look like when you are finished on your sheet of paper. Now, for our magic hat. This is the one that I made, and what you will get to put this together, you'll get a black plate. Now, as you'll notice, it's white on one side when you get it. Now, we painted it with black paint, but you can use markers, crayons, however you feel best about getting this to be a different color, or you can leave it white, whatever you prefer. You will also get this sheet of black construction paper, which doesn't look like much on here, but once you cut out that shape, you will roll it together and make it into a cone. So once you have that, you're going to cut a hole in your plate. You can use a white crayon on that black surface to create it the exact size that you would like. Once you've done that, you will take your cone and slide it through there. And then, as you hopefully can see, I just cut little pieces and tape those down to hold it in place. There you go. You will also get a miniature version of this so that you can make a little hat for your cat or perhaps a teddy bear, whoever your familiar is. So you could also decorate this with beautiful rhinestones or stickers or whatever you would like to decorate it with. I know that you are going to have so much fun putting all these magic-y things together. And I'm sorry we can't have a big party this year, but I promise you we are already planning one for next year. I hope the magic is wonderful. Have a great day.